In today's video, I'll be showing you how to answer and end calls using physical buttons on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So first, open the phone app on your device and then ensure that keypad has been selected. From here, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then select Settings. In your call settings menu, look for the option Answering and Ending Calls. Tap on it. Then here, you should see Press Volume Up to answer calls and press Side button to end calls. So enable these features by tapping on the two goals next to them. From here, try doing a test call. And once the phone call comes in, what you want to do is press on the volume up button to respond. So as you can see, I've now picked up my call. So all you need to do is just finish the phone call, and to end the phone call, press on the side key like that, and the phone call will be ended. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.